Sobonani ndimumthwana wabantu molweni kunjani. Look man, I'm Hamish. A lot of people call me Mtwana Wabantu. Let's get started, no waste time. So question number 13. In a lottery, players must what? 5 numbers must what? Must pick or must what? I think I kind of forgot something here. Let me check the question. Clearly, player must what? I think you copied wrong. Okay, players must match. Must match here. Sorry about that, guys. So players must match 5 numbers. Like, okay. So now we're gonna do. You know when you go to lotto stuff, play lotto, like, okay. Oh, which number? I won this. Hey, you win billionaire. So how you win the lottery? You have to match the numbers. Pick the 5 numbers, fill it up, or whatever you can do there, and then you win. So let's say the players must match 5 numbers plus a bonus number. So you match 5, and there's an extra bonus number. Okay. So without bonus number means they're going to be 5, but with the bonus, it's going to be what? 6 number for you to win the lottery. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, now let's go. 5 white balls. So we have 5 white balls. You see what I'm saying? 5 white balls are chosen for 59 white balls. Whew. So we're going to pick 5 balls there from 59 white balls. But there's the numbers. All those balls have got numbers. Let's say number 1, number 2, number 3, number 5 to 59. So you're going to have to pick 5. Okay, according to how they say here, okay, 1 to 59, and then 1 red ball. So, excuse me, very careful here. 5 white balls are chosen from 59. So you're gonna have to take 5 white balls. White balls are chosen for 59, okay, and then numbered from 1 to 59. Those white balls will be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 to 59, and 1 red balls. Oh, so one of the balls is gonna be a bonus number, which is gonna be what? Red balls. Now let's go a red in a red color, something like this. Now, another question now. Now they say here, now the bonus number is chosen from 35 red balls. Oh, so we have also red balls. Okay, so you're gonna have to go to the 35 balls and you have to pick up the bonus number. So we got a group of 59 balls, which are white balls. So these are 59 white balls, and you have 35 what? Red balls. So you're gonna have to pick here 5, and you're gonna have to pick 1 to make 6. So you have to win all those numbers for you. If you wanna win them, and then you're gonna be a winner as a player. Now, what is the question? How many different results? So they want what? How many different what? Results from this outcome. Okay, cool. So now we say, if they say how many different what results are possible. So we want to see like, okay, what are the results is going to be possible. Remember, you have to pick up 6 balls in total. It means 5 from 59, and you have to pick 1 from 35. So we're going to say now, I'm going to say, excuse me. So before I start this whole question, there's something called combination. What is a combination? Let me write for you here. If let's say you have a, okay, here, excuse me. Okay. How many pens I got here? Look, these are 5 pens here. These are 5. Can you see these are 5? So if I had to pick or have to choose 2 from 5, and then that's a combination. So combination meaning select or choose. When you select or you choose something from a group of your items means we call it combination probability. So let's say find the probability of choosing red from all these pens. I'm going to say, okay, so since I'm choosing or I'm picking, I'm going to say this is a combination. So I'm going to say combination. How many I'm picking? I'm picking 2 which are red from 5. So this mathematical, so you could say there's a formula also. If you have a calculator, you can plug like that, but if you don't have a calculator, you can say this. Let me say take this number which are here. You say, oh, take this one which are here, factorial, and then take this 5 minus 3, so you can say 5 minus 2, factorial, and then write this one here. So this one we call it combination. Or in a formula, general formula, we say C, this is N, means a total number of everything, and this is what you're going to be selecting. Sorry guys, just wiping a little. Settle in. So this one we're going to be selecting. So this, let me say, take this one n on top, and then take n minus r here, and then take your r outside. R factorial. These are factorial here. You see what I'm saying? So for this case here, you can plug in the calculator the way how it is, you get your answer. You see what I'm saying? You plug in the calculator the way how it is, you get your answer. Okay? Take that, plug in the calculator, plug 5, and then go shift combination 2, you're gonna get your answer. You see what I'm saying? So for this case, let me plug in, then you can try in your calculator, and then we see if you're gonna get the same answer. 5, shift T, let me show you here. See, I don't know if you can see 5, shift T. Okay, so you start with the 5, and then you shift T, combination 2, and this is gonna give us 10 for that case. So this is going to be 10 for this one here. It's not part of the equation, but 10. You see what I'm saying? So this is going to give us what? 10. So you only use combination if you choose something from a group of whatever, or you pick, or you select whatever you have from a certain item from a group of whatever you have. Now, let's go to the question now. So if you go to the question careful, if you read careful, how are we going to win this line? For us to win means you're going to have to pick 5 from a white balls. So in other words, you're going to say, okay, so I'm going to have to pick 5. No. Yeah, I have to pick 5 from 59 because they say 5 white balls. So on top here is 59. I have to pick 5 balls. You see what I'm saying? And another one, and. So in mathematics, whenever you have an and, ending meaning multiplication. Let me write for you here. Whenever you say and, it probably means multiplication. When you say or, meaning plus. Remember, this is very, very important. When they say and, multiplication, or plus. So if you look careful here, they say 1 and 59 white balls. So you're going to choose 5 white balls from, but since they say you choose, or you select, or you pick, that's a use combination. I'm going to attach the link here, just in case if you want to go and watch permutation, repetition, etc., etc. So we're going to say here, we choose what 5 from 59, and what is n? Multiplication, and then we have another combination, because we're going to choose what? 1 red balls, bonus number, is chosen from 35. Oh, so you have a 35, now we're going to choose combination, bonus number. You see what I'm saying? So you can take a calculator and plug in like that, or if you don't want, you can just go and say this is 59 factorial over 59 minus 5. So you can say 59 minus 5 also factorial. And then you take a 5 outside here, 5 factorial. And then you multiply. For the second one, in this, it's going to be 35. 35 factorial. And then you say 35 minus 1 equal to 34. But I can plug here, say 35 minus 1 factorial, and then 1 factorial. So take a calculator, plug in all of this, is going to give you answer. Or you can just take a calculator, plug exactly straight, easy like this, and you're going to get the same answer also. Or you can plug like that. So let me take a calculator, plug in, and see what's going to give to me. So 59, now we got 59. And then shift T combination 5, and they go next, and then you multiply here. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Multiply by 35, shift T combination 1, and this is going to give me 175, 2, 2, 3, 5, 10. Okay, so this is going to give me so in just a second, guys. The question is finished. So this is going to give me 175, 2, 2, 3, 5, 10. So this is my final answer. See what I'm saying? That's going to be my final answer. Option 3. You see? So 5, 10, yeah. I'm just looking at the option there. So 175, 2, 2, 3, 5, 10. So from the first question, that's how you do. Now let's go for the second question, which is the example. This is very, very good example because they ask this in exam most of the time. So let me raise here so I can have a space and then do the question number 2. Okay, cool. Let's do number 2 now. Number 2 is a little tricky, so you know, have to be really careful. These examples they ask in exam many times, okay? Many times they ask this question in exam. Let me drink some water, guys. Sorry about that. Thank you for your patience. Okay, cool. Let's go. So now they say here, what is the probability of winning lottery? Okay, so this guy is still playing lottery. Okay, cool. Let's see. So he play another lottery. So they say a single play involves choosing 6 different numbers. So this is another one, right? They didn't talk about bonus or whatever, but most of the lottery that's how they do. But they say a single play. If you want to play, you have to have 6 different numbers. Pick 6 numbers. But if you win all the number, then you're a winner. Now they say that number is going to be between 1 and 49. Okay, 1 and 49. And then the draw chooses 6 number. So this is just explanation. The draw chooses 6 number balls out of 49. So when you do, you have to pick 6 number from 49. Means that ball's been numbered. Ball 1, ball 2, ball 3, ball 5, 250, 249. Excuse me for now. 49. So you're going to have to pick 6. The order in which number chosen does not matter in either case. So it does not matter. You can pick however, like go pick those balls, whatever. Now, the question comes now. How many possible outcomes? So they want to know, okay, what are the possible outcomes? Okay, so the possible outcomes here. So for this case here, they didn't mention about the bonus, whatever. So all you need to go and pick up 6 balls. So I'm going to say, okay, so since I'm picking the ball, since I'm choosing the ball, excuse me, I'm sweating, guys, my pardon. Since I'm picking the ball, since I'm choosing the ball, so that's a combination. So since the combination means select, we're going to have to use a formula now. Okay, so I'm going to say combination. So we're going to pick 6 balls from 49. For this case, 49. Yes, 49. Okay, so this is going to give us possible outcomes. So now, or if you don't want to say that, you can say 49 over factorial, don't forget. 49 minus 6 factorial, and then you multiply by 6 factorial. From the formula, our formula say n factorial. If you have a c and then other, means this is total and this is what you're going to pick that ball. And how did I not use combination? Because they choose. So this is going to say n factorial, n minus other factorial, other factorial. So now let's plug this in the calculator. So if you plug this, let's plug it quick, guys. So now we have a 6 here, 6 and then 49. So the possible outcome here is going to be 139, 83, 83, and then 816. So this is a possible outcome, 139, 83, 816. So that's a possible outcome. Sorry guys. Okay, now let's go for the second one. The second one is say, what is the probability of winning the jackpots? Oh, what is the probability of winning? So if you win jackpots, meaning all those numbers you have picked them, all them 6, you got them correct. So that's going to be your probability out of all the number, out of the all possibility. But what is the possibility? The possible outcomes can be this a total, this a total. So now it's like, if you can just select, let me just say this. If you can just select 6 from 6, from all the possibility. You see what I'm saying? So you select 6 from 6 from all the possibility. Means from everything is going to be here under. This everything. Because now, your possible outcome could be this. Like, this is a possible, like, for you to win, it could be, this is a total, like, you can play this game. But luckily, when you play, exactly, you win a lot because they say here, what is the probability of winning the jackpots? See? Means you choose 6 number that makes 6 balls that are drawn. So means you choose 6 from 6 and all of them is perfect from the whole total possible outcomes. So what is the total possible outcome? This. Or if you want to write, if you don't want to write this, you can write this because this comes from this. So I can say this from 49 combination 6. Or if you don't want to write this, you can write that. So this let me say, so this combination, this is like 6 factorial over 6 minus 6 factorial, because this minus this, and then over, and then multiply by other factorial over. So we know this number for a 9 combination 6 is 7 is 139 add 3 add 1 6. So it's like 139 add 3 add 1 6. Excuse me. This is like 6 factorial over 6 minus 6 equal to 0. 0 factorial over 6 factorial over 139 add 3 add 1 6. Okay, this and this cancel because the same thing. 6 factorial over 6 factorial equal to, so you got 1 over 0 factorial. But a 0 factorial equal to 1. If you plug in a calculator, 0 factorial equal to 1, plug in a calculator, you see equal to 1. So it's like 1 over 1. Even 1 factorial equal to 1. If you plug in a calculator, 1 factorial also equal to 1. 0 factorial also equal to 1. Pay attention there. Let me write here. 0 factorial equal to 1. Also, 1 factorial equal to 1. So for that case now, this is going to be, we say this is going to be 1, because this in this cancel is 1 over 0 factorial. 0 factorial equal to 1. So it's like 1 over 1 equal to 1. So it's like 1 over 139, 83, 1, 83, 816. So this is our final answer for B. Now we want to go for C. Okay? So for C, they say, how do they say C? They say probability that matching at least 5 of the winning balls. Like you play, but it's like, oh man, I miss one. My God. So it's like probability of matching at least 5. Okay, so probability of matching at least 5, meaning, so we go for the last part. So the last part they say, excuse me, sorry God. So the last part they say, sorry God, stretching a little, okay. They say the probability of matching at least 5 of the winning balls. So if you match 5 of the winning balls, and they say, forget the bonus ball for now. So it means out of 6, you're going to win 5. Means, remember from the previous example, we had 5 pick, and then with the bonus ball, it makes 6. But now they say, leave the bonus ball. Means you're going to win even if you got 5. So we're going to say now, it's going to be 6 is total balls that you have to win, but no bonus. And then it could be 5 and 6. Because no bonus. You know what I'm saying? So it could be this or this, but over total, what is our total? Our total is going to be 5. It's not going to be 6 because the bonus is not involved. And the total number is equal to 49. You see what I'm saying? And why I do this? Because if our balls are 5, look, they're 5. Let's just assume our number is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say this is a bonus ball, a red ball. But for now, they did not need the bonus ball. Even the previous, because they know when you do ladder, you must have something bonus. So now, if I have to win at least 5 of the winning balls, means I can only win 5. You see what I'm saying? Means 5 balls out of the 6 and the 5 balls out of the 6. And our total is going to be 5 over 49. This is going to be the total balls. We're not going to put 6 because the bonus ball has been excluded. So for that case, we plug this in the calculator. It's going to give us 52969. 1 over 52969. Okay, so that's going to be our probability. So this is the final answer of the probability. Easy, man. It's just a waste of time. You do this question, and it's easy like that, man. Thanks a lot. You know what I'm saying? Look, man, I believe in learning from how I do things. If it's make sure you subscribe, and you can just go and do donation to our Patreon page. I have a Patreon, I have a GoFundMe. You know what I'm saying? I have all the means of donation because to make this project going, any type of donation, the little that you think is too small for you, it could make a lot of change. And thanks a lot for all your time. Subscribe, don't forget, share this video, circulate to a lot of people, because the meaning of this project, this program, is to help as many as we can, okay? It's not only for one person or two, because you might think it's not helpful for you, but for somebody next out there, it could be very, very helpful. So thanks a lot, man. And any donation that you did to me, it means so much. I appreciate it, man. It means a lot. Go to our Patreon page, go to our GoFundMe, because we need to have a lot of things we need to put them together, like camera, and a lot of equipment, so that we can improve on a lot of angle, a lot of aspects of these projects. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate and I love you. Peace and love. Bye. This is one of my students of knowledge. She wanted to introduce herself. What's your name? Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Kali. I
Yeah.
went to Southend Primary School.
Yeah, Mtwana wa Bantu. Mtwana wa Bantu is everywhere, right? So this is my other student. His name, what's your name? Matthew, yeah, he's grade 11, man. So his aim is to score distinction, right? So you promise, I want you to score distinction this time. And what's your name? Joshua, how much you promise me to score this time?
Distinction.
Distinction. Yeah, so Mtwana wa Bantu is everywhere, man.
Mtwana wa Bantu.
Everywhere.
Mtwana wa Bantu.
Exactly. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. If you had to give advice, what advice would you give to the people or to the students?
Trust Hamish.
Why would they trust me?
No, because it's really good. It actually has helped a lot. I redid first year for maths. It was my own fault, but also I didn't know a lot of the work. And Hamish said lots of hard questions, and it's demotivating sometimes to do the harder stuff. You just want to get done, but it's the hard stuff that makes you realize the easy stuff is easy.
Thank you so much, Mr. Hamish. Thank you, and wish you all the best with your hard work. And I just want to say we appreciate you, and I have achieved like 93%. Sanbonani. This is Emma Onokula Wamkizis Bongo. I live in Devon in KwaZulu-Natal, and I was born in KwaHlabisa in KwaZulu-Natal.
Hello everyone, this is Uketela Nomvalo from Air Johannesburg, Midrand. I'm studying through uni. I would like to thank Mr. Hamish for helping us so much. We have actually got 90 to 100% on that. Thank you so much, Mr. Hamish. Siyabonga.